Hi guys, welcome back. We're back at the beach. Woohoo! Check out Kim. She's been talking about going for a swim all week. As soon as we got back home. And today we got the perfect opportunity. Temperature is hit 21 Celsius. So now, guys, we're gonna have our first swim for spring in Melbourne. The water's not too bad. And the air today is warm, not cold like it was the previous day when we were here. What a difference. Night and day. Alright, she's getting acclimated. That's what you do in winter and spring before you dive in. So today you can see there's a lot more people here. Being a Sunday, a lot of people at the beach. Hi from me too, guys. Got my hair cut. We both did. Beautiful. Okay, looks like she's ready to go under. Or maybe not. Takes time. The first time takes time. But check out the clarity of the water. Can you believe this? Look how clear it is, guys. It's just amazing. So nice. Okay, she took a dunk. She dunked in. Beautiful. So nice. Uh-oh. There she goes. Dunked in again. As I'm coming in myself, wow, the water's getting colder and colder. It felt nice and warm at the edge, but it's so much colder the deeper I go. But look how clear it is, guys. Huh? Super duper clear. Oh wow, she did it. She went under. She did it. She did it. Yep. Easy peasy once you're in. Easy peasy. So even when it's the beginning of spring, guys, there's people out here taking advantage of the water and of the sun. So thanks for watching, appreciate it. I'm gonna go and join Kim now and have my first swim in spring. All right, Kim's been in here now for 20 minutes and she's loving it. Huh? It feels so good.
Cold water, I love it.
I jumped in myself. It was pretty awesome. Look how clear the water is. Much clearer than Sunshine Coast. And today it's the same temperature in the air, but the water's much colder. Over there the water was 20, and here the water is about 15, maybe 16. But you get used to it if you push yourself, right?
Yeah, after 10 minutes your blood turns hot. So
Yeah.
It feels like it's summer. The water is really hot now.
Yeah.
But it takes a while and you have to be willing to push through, but it's so
Yeah.
beneficial for your body.
Yeah. Beautiful.
You can feel the wellness.
Yeah.
It just feels so good.
It does. I jumped in too. Let me jump in again. It's pretty cold, but it's fun. Here we go. Woo!
I think it's like 15 Celsius.
The water's about 15, yeah, maybe
So what is that in Fahrenheit?
60.
Okay, guys, the water is cold, but once you get used to it, cold water ocean therapy. Woo!
Hey guys, that was our second day at the beach. It was so cool. It was awesome. I hope you enjoyed it with us, and please like if you did, and give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and catch you from the next video, guys.
Oh, that felt so good.
How was it, Kim? Looks like you enjoyed it.
I did.
Mm.